Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, turn the key off and remove the negative battery cable so you won't short anything. Next, take off the seat and the left side panel. This gives direct access to the headlight box. Use a flat pry tool to release plastic clips, then undo the T10/T20 screws holding the housing. Once the housing is loose, unclip the headlight connector by pressing the tab. This isolates the bulb. Make sure to work on a flat surface and keep screws in a tray. Now you handle the bulb. Peel back the rubber dust boot and rotate the metal clip or retainer to free the bulb. Remember how it sits so you can reinstall correctly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Do not touch the glass if it's halogen because oils shorten life. Insert the new bulb in the same orientation, secure the retainer, and push the rubber boot back into place. Once connected, snug the housing screws but don't over-tighten. You'll want to aim and test next. Once done, reconnect the negative battery terminal and turn the ignition to test the low and high beams. You should see immediate light if wiring and bulb are good. If the beam is off-center, use the headlight adjustment screws to align the cutoff to the service mark. A garage wall at 3/5 helps. Make sure fasteners are tightened and panels reinstalled. If nothing lights, check the headlight fuse, confirm connector pins have continuity, and reseat the bulb. Those 3 fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.